Hello, wonderful people of the Planty world. It is September 25th, 2024. Just want to make this quick video. I believe these are, let me cover my address. This one here, this one, and this one. I believe these are tissue cultures. These are TCs. I believe this one is the Albo and the Spiritus Santi tissue culture. So these are becoming a lot more affordable because they're tissue culture. They're just the way they're grown. They're not grown from seedling. So they're just very much so, they're accessible to everyone now. So okay, oh my gosh. So I think I've purchased these before, and that's the Spiritus Santi that I have now. But this guy, oh my gosh, yeah, this is from the teeny plant tissue culture. But this is in a vial, guys. What? Oh my goodness. All right, so this is some kind of gel. That's some type of gel. And oh my Lord, this is a lot smaller than I anticipated for. This is the, yep, the philodendron Spiritus Santi, Spiritus. And I'm not thrilled about this because it's this small. And that's a little nerving. Let's see what they say. Is cute little planty bag. Cute. But that's not what we're here for, guys. We're here for the tissue culture. Yeah, that's very small. I don't know. Should I keep this in here for a while? Should I pop the lid? I obviously pop the lid. It needs oxygen. Every living thing needs oxygen. It's not liquid. That's definitely gel. Let me double check and see if this is, and this one's an Albo Borgiana, and it's not. I'll tell you something, guys. The difference that you can tell, because if you have a tissue culture that you receive and you're in doubt that it's actually a Thai constellation, the easy way to tell is the leaf shape, the leaf fenestrations. They don't fenestrate the same, and the shape of the leaf is not the same. But I just wanted to, oh my God. So this is a lot better. This is a lot safer, in my opinion, because this has some growth to it. And this is my Monstera Albo. I have one cutting of an Albo, which I received a couple of weeks ago, and it's doing well. I'm just a little nervous. I have them in sphagnum moss, and I spanked it with Super Thrive, but because they're very infantile, you want to make sure that they survive at least for 6 months, right? Before you can kind of just leave them alone. I'm leaving it alone either way. I'm not fussing with that. But this here looks a little, it's also in a gel type of thing, right? And there is the milliliters marking here. It's in a little tube. There are, can you see that? There's a brown leaf in there, and I don't care about that. I'll just pluck the whole stem off. It looks like there's a little bit of a rot. That's kind of not a good sign. But there is a root right there. I don't know if you can see it. I am so sorry, guys. Like, I just received it. I just came in from being out on a dentist appointment for myself, and I can you see that? I didn't want to make this video in the basement. My husband's downstairs working. Do you see that? Do you see that? There is a root. There is a root. So that's promising. I'm going to, there's 4 leaves here. 3 little ones. 3, 1, 2, 3, and a 4, the very top one. I'm gonna open this. I think if you guys look at the video of the Spertusanti, this was definitely a tissue culture. What was that? I can't remember now off the top of my head. I think it was Teeny Plant Company. I want to, yeah, now I need to do research. Should I leave it in this vessel? Obviously, I need it to breathe, so I am going to pop the tops on both of these. Oh, my baby girl. Hi, Mama. Hi. You having a snack? I just gave her a little bit of greens and some strawberries, blueberries. It's just a snack, right? It's a little 3 o'clock. A little 3 o'clock snack. All right, guys. I am, yeah, I just wanted to show and share. I don't know. I wanted to show and share. It's a show and share Wednesday. It's a show and share Wednesday. I'm just really, let's pop the top. I'm going to smell it, guys. I'm going to smell it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at the leaf. Oh. Look at the leaf. Wow. That is beautiful. Should I pull her out of here? I just feel like I don't want to disturb nerves. Should I have this in leca? Should I have this in soil? Soil's my best bet. And maybe in a cup. Should I pull her out of here? I don't want to pull her out of here. Should I pull her out of here? I'm not going to pull her out of here. But look at that leaf, guys. This is such a volatile investment because I mean I've been doing pretty well with my babes, but yeah, how are you guys dealing with that? It's like your new plant herbs, and this does not smell that great. It smells like herbs, and then this is fallen. I think it was like I can't speak. I feel like this was just like this was seated in this gel type of thing. I feel like this was also seated in this gel, right? That's why there's like a little dip in this gel thing here. But it maybe in transit because one of the boxes were really smashed. You see how smashed it came? Maybe it just like jostled itself out of there. Yeah, that's... I hope it survives. How badly did it do? I don't know. Should I take this out? Like, this is so... This is nerve-wracking. And look at the leaf fell. Like, there's a leaf that's like pulled out, plucked off. Like, if this Spertusanti was about this size, I'd have been pleased. This is a little nerve-wracking. I mean, I have faith in my growing abilities, and I will have faith in this growing ability, because every green will thrive if in the right conditions. But this just requires me to do more research and find. You know what? I've got some. Oh my gosh! Look at this leaf. How sad. A little baby Spertusanti leaf. Like, what in the world? What in the world? Yeah, sadness. Okay. How do I get this out? Victoria, how do I get the, let me use your fingers. How do I take this out of here? Anyway, I just wanted to share this unboxing with you guys. I'm gonna pull this black stuff out. It's a leaf. It's a rotted leaf. That's gross. I've got to get it out of here because this black, like, why is this gel black? You know? And I don't want to just pull it out. Yep. Okay, I just did that. I'm pulling it out. Let me check the roots. My hands are clean. Yeah, I'm plucking this away. That is a dead leaf, guys. That's gonna get out of here, out of this, fuera. And oh man, I really should be using gloves. I really should be using gloves for many reasons. But I'm gonna try not to touch the roots. Okay, I am pleased. Look at this. We've got a half leaf here. We showed this one to you guys. Look at the one right behind it. So pretty. I mean, again, so I'm going to have faith that this is an elbow, but this looks like a Tycon. All of them look the same in the infantile stage. But once they fenestrate, they will fenestrate differently. I'm going to go ahead and just set this here for now because I do want to put it in a different medium. Soil, leca, soil. A very nice cactus soil. What do you think, Victoria? And then this here, I gotta take this out somehow. I'm just nervous. How do I do this? All right, so I just wanted to share that with you all. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Wednesday. And stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay plenty. Forgive this hot mess here. Just wanted to say hi and open these guys up with you. Stay blessed. Until next time, you beautiful plenty people. Yeah. Like, subscribe, comment below, and until next time, I actually have a video that I'm going to make. It's well thought out, and I'll just give you a little run through of what it's going to be. We're going to talk about leca, what it is, what plants may be beneficial to it, pH up and down, why test your pH, Super Thrive, what it is, what it does to your plants, what are the 2 main ingredients in there, and then I'm going to showcase spotlight three of my plants that, and maybe Spiritus Santi is going to be on there because I've repotted her since. She's been having some new action, even though we're in the beginning of fall. But yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm probably going to record that video tomorrow. But anyway, I love you all. Have a beautiful, blessed Wednesday. And remember, friends, yeah, keep loving your plants. God bless.